Take command of the road in the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Come on in and take a test drive.